Managing real estate often means juggling scattered data across spreadsheets and disconnected floor plans. And in the middle of it all, context gets lost. Smplrspace changes that, bringing all your property data into one interactive canvas, from financials and leasing to operations and IoT. We digitize your buildings, transforming static floor plan images into interactive 3D environments in just days. Navigate each property dynamically at unit, floor, or building level across your entire portfolio of digitized assets. Instantly view status of assets, from rent rolls, occupancy, and energy use to maintenance schedules and sensor data. If it matters, you'll see it, right where it happens. Go from spreadsheets to data integrated in its physical environment embedded in your workflows, dashboards, and meeting rooms. Smplrspace is building intelligence made simple, easy to start, powerful at scale.